Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm HDSIGNATURES. How are you guys doing? Today's video I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup collaboration with Thetallblackchic. I'm going to be leaving the Thetallblackchic's channel link in the comment section or in the description box, so you guys can go over to our channel and check our own version of Valentine's makeup look. And while you're at it, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to engage on our content. Don't forget to show us some love and let her know you're coming from HDSIGNATURES' channel. Without further ado guys, let's jump right into this tutorial. Maybe master concealer. I'm going to be using that as my eyeshadow primer. So I'm going to be extending it out here because this is where I want more of the colors. So I'm going to be doing my best to make this murky and fiery floor in the spread out the
Pounds and dollars I will spend on your word. They talk all they want.
I'm going to be doing my extreme
So
I'm cutting the edges of the concealer. For the eyeshadow palette, I'm going to be making use of the Viva Beauty eyeshadow palette. I'm sure you guys have seen a review and unboxing of this brand, this product. So beautiful, so pigmented. So I'm going to make use of this color here, this one, and this one. And I'm going to be cutting it down. This is how I do this. I shall do this.
I love you forever. I love you forever. I love you forever, Lord. I love you forever. I love you forever. I love you forever, Lord.
I'm going to be doing my to keep the next shade. I'll use that to blend out the edges of this color. So I'm cutting the colors, not the excess of cutting is you want more of the colors, like you want the color to be more pigmented, and also to avoid having the eyeshadow getting patchy. So I'm going to be going ahead to pick the third shade, which is the one more like orange. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the second shade. So whenever you're working with pigment, whenever you're working with colorful eyeshadow, after placement, you need to go back individually and reapply them just to get the eyeshadow. Blending out takes away from your eyeshadow pigmentation, so you only want to go back.
Lord, you are my everything. Thank you for saving me. Even on my darkest days, I can help but to lift my voice and sing.
I'm going to go back to this clean brush and I'll blend out the edges into the inner part of my eye and cut my lips down in case of any pieces. So I'm going to be going ahead to pick the new shade and place them in my lid.
Pounds and dollars I will spend on your word. They talk all they want, I don't care what they say, cause your matter. Now in my con they carry from my head every night. They talk to you before I go to bed. Olaru, Okabi, you are Elohim and you are my morning sun. Thank you for for the love that you showed us on the cross. With your son Jesus, bringing up to everyone. You are my everything. Thank you for saving me. Even on my darkest days, I can help but to lift my voice and sing. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So guys, while the lashes is drying, I'm going to go ahead and
my daddy, my Valentine, yeah. Say now you they making my temperature they rise. If you leave me, I could die. Lord, you are the oxygen I need to survive. I'll be honest, your loving is all I need, and I am so obsessed. I want to worship at your feet. Lord, you are my everything. Thank you for saving me. Even on my darkest days, I can help but to lift my voice and sing. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
So guys, once the mascara dries, I'm going to go ahead and fix bottom lashes, and I'm going to do that, guys. So I'm back, guys. I want to show you guys how to do a very soft lip. So I'm going to show you guys how to apply a soft neutral lip stick. So I'm going to go now to use a cream foundation from Black Pepper.
For saving me, even on my darkest days, I can help but to lift my voice and sing. Hallelujah.
I'm going to be going ahead and mix this concealer and this is from Ringlights. So the lighter side of it, I'm going to place down right in the center of the lid. And I'm going to be going ahead to add a lip gloss on top of that. Guys, let me know what you think about this lipstick down in the comment section. So guys, this is the finished look. I'm going to be right back to show you guys the final look. Please don't go anywhere, and please don't forget that this makeup video is a collaboration between myself and Thetallblackchic. It's a Valentine collaboration.